Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Top ESL presenting you New Era Conference 2021. First time in the world, students are presenting to their stories to the world, to their mentors, and to their teachers, and to their fellow friends. In this session, we are splendidly discovering our future. Let's proudly present our story to the world. Once again, I welcome every individual to this presentation. We respect your presence. On behalf of every ESL student and their little hearts, I welcome you all. It has been 3 years of our ESL, and each individual student is going to give a 3 minutes presentation. So everyone, this 3 minutes is the story of 3 years. So please listen to every student and their goals. Thank you. And to moving forward, let me give you an invocation of our ESL. This is we, this is who we are. We are a team, talented, energetic, astonishing mindsets. We can do anything and everything. We talk, we care, we respect each other. We see beauty in everyone and everything. We are connected by hearts and driven by values. We celebrate each other. We provide value to others. We take ownership in everything. We have freedom to make mistakes. We learn as we go. We are mad to make a difference. We love disruptive ideas. We make impossible things possible. We are strong to question the creation. We believe in dreaming big. If we do not dare to dream big, are we really living? Why be ordinary when we can do extraordinary? This is what who we are. Thank you. So once again, I welcome you all my what I can say, all my mentors. Please, so let us going to start this new era. So curtain rising, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's start our presentations.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to NERA. I'm Nikhil Komalla, pursuing my BTech fourth year in chemical engineering at Usmania University. Today, I'm here to present you about my journey, a journey which made me dream towards becoming a best version of myself. In this journey, I acquired very powerful assets like team skill, learning, communication, brainstorming, and many more. But how? By being part of the disruptive journey ESL, luckily, I was able to see ESL evolving organically from the day it started. If we have a vision driven by value system, everything in the process will happen like a miracle. These are the learnings I had in the journey. Owning an idea, interaction, gratitude, collaboration, networking, and many. Presently, I am working on two projects. One, my fourth year project on AI based catalyst design. Two, self undertaken hydrogen project, which I started in my first year of undergraduation. We as a team did experiments, we presented, participated, and won prizes in different competitions. We are planning to create funded projects. Internships. Internships made me got to know more about my interest. I did internship in diversified areas. I just had a thought to learn. In the process, everything I did is somehow connected with other and helped me do better. I feel very lucky to for having Shawan sir in my life. The way sir thinks supports us to the maximum level is unbelievable. Every mentor interaction has been a valuable and a boon. Apart from these, my journey through ESL really made me think big, think and dream big, learn to interact and collaborate, and most importantly, made me learn life skills and team skills. Being part of the disruptive idea like writing a book at the age of 18 and giving presentation enhanced my communication skills. This amazing experience produced unknowingly beautiful quotes out of my mind. Some of them are interactions can make miracle happen. You will be regret free if you are a restless bee. If you are connected with an invisible chain, even Thor cannot break it. Future is yours if you own it. As a further journey, I would like to do my higher studies, PhD in USA, providing better solutions to the world, support and learn from my ESL team, and together make miracles happen. Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. I feel privileged to be part of this wonderful presentation. I am Triveni, presently studying third year of chemical engineering at Osmania University. I give equal importance to curricular and co-curricular activities. I am co-author of 3 books and good at academics. My interests are simulation, cooking, and singing. I like solving problems using Proto simulation software. Our ESL. Before I say more about myself, I would like to speak about our ESL. ESL is very supportive in whatever I do. We have friendly seniors who always give helping hands to make juniors learn new things. Here, we be ourselves, see beauty in each other, give value to each other's thoughts. My endeavors. I was contributing author to ESL's first book, that is ESL Odyssey. My friend Shivani and I wrote the book Voices of Alumni Entrepreneurship Edition UCT. We interviewed our entrepreneur alumni and learned a lot from their experiences. We got to know about the qualities that an entrepreneur has to have. The process of writing this book made us more disciplined. How to learn chemical engineering in 100 problems and be industry ready. This book is a compilation of 100 chemical engineering problems solved using Proto simulation software. I feel very lucky that I have become co-author of this disruptive book in my second year of bachelor's. This type of book was never written by students before. Though I was in second year and did not have much subject knowledge while writing this book, I put the efforts and contributed some problems from fluid mechanics. My seniors were very supportive throughout this book, and I took the opportunity to mentor my juniors in writing the book, Be a Top at the interviews. This book shows how to prepare and be at the time of interviews. As I had the experience of interviewing our entrepreneur alumni, we have got enough network to approach companies and know what they look at students in the interviews. I was guiding my juniors on how to approach, what questions can be asked, what chapters can be put in the book. Next, participations and certifications. These are the few events that I participated in. Along with my senior Vinayanna, I presented a paper on design of shell and YouTube heat exchanger using Proto simulation software in SChemCon organized by ISCH and presented Proto book to Amrita University Bangalore. And what I'm doing. Very recently, I started working on writing a review paper on polymer and fuel cell applications. Along with my 2 other friends, I'm working on design of shell and tube heat exchanger using MATLAB. I'm also working part-time as marketing manager for a real estate company and taking online internship in chemical process technology. And recently, I started preparing for GRE also. My biggest goal. This is my biggest goal that I want to do PhD in United States of America with fellowship. Could you please give your thoughts on how I could achieve this goal? And finally, I'm very thankful to all the dignitaries who have gathered here, and special thank you to my guru Shravan Tedla for constantly supporting me.
Hello everyone, greetings to all. I am Deepthi Chittaluri from ESL, pursuing first year chemical engineering OUCT. Today, I am here to share my story with all of you. I want to start with my goals. Here are they. The prayer is to be an IAS officer. I want to be called as Deepthi IAS. I may end up by achieving one goal or maybe all. Next, moving on to ESL journey. These are my accomplishments. The greatest thing for me is improving my communication skills. I have improved a lot by expressing my thoughts. I can see my growth. Moving on to the activities and projects that I am part of. These are my activities. In this small span of 2 months, I learned a lot from these activities. Learning Pro2. It is a simulation software for chemical engineering. This is the first opportunity given to me in the first year of my bachelor's itself. I'm using the process Learn as we go to learn Proto software. Triveni Akka is helping me a lot in learning. Town hall meetings. Learn to deal with situations. Now, I'm sure that we can face any type of situations with courage. Learn to accept different perspectives, that is open-mindedness. 100 crore plan. This is an amazing plan that I have never heard of before. Pleasure to be part of this plan. We are building a great mindset to achieve our goals. Writing a book. Recently, we as a team started writing a book, which I never imagined that I will be an author. Now, I'm part of it, enjoying the process of learning from mentors in the interview. What did I learn from these activities? Teamwork, gratitude, the most important, the power of discussion, and many more. Social impact. Though Padyathon was a great event in which many of our friends have thought about our social problems. Some of them made me realize and take actions on them. And as a team, we are going to do that. Whatever I'm learning in the ESL, great values, I'm suggesting my cousins. My greatest strengths, supporters, are my mentor, Chetan Makam sir, Shravan sir, seniors, and my friends. I'm very thankful to them as they supported me a lot in doing my activities or projects. They encouraged me a lot. I'm fortunate to have my team, ESL. I'm good at paintings, artwork, and also calligraphy. These are two of my paintings. As I said before, these are my goals. I hope I will achieve all of them. For that, I need your support and suggestions. Can I get any suggestions? Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I am Hafsa Fatima from ESEL. I am a student of BTech Chemical Engineering first year, University College of Technology, Osmania University. Joining ESEL has allowed me to push my boundaries to a new horizon. I have participated in projects and events that have helped me with my confidence, my organizational skills, and teamwork. What attracted me to ESEL was that its values were reflected in its members. They were not vague. I could see the sheer dedication of its members to keep up to those values. My curiosity and aim to follow this value system has helped me to grow, and I am glad to be a part of ESEL. Goals. Goals without planning are merely wishes. Before talking about my goals, I would like to tell you about my efforts towards them. I have been working on improving my communication skills, language skills, team skills, and organizational skills. I am working towards gaining a positive work attitude, an effective study mindset, and problem solving skills. Now, for my goals. I would like to serve the society through research. I want to get a PhD from a reputed institution. I want to help humanity in the fight against climate change. And recently, I have gained a particular interest in the goal of earning 100 crores by the age of 30. Accomplishments. Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. With the immense support and encouragement of my mentors and team, I have successfully hosted and presented in Thope Talks. I have taken part in Thope Ideathon, and I have quite recently authored a research paper. Projects. Projects help us to gain experience in planning, leading, directing, and management. I have been working as a real estate intern. I'm involved in writing review articles as part of Industrial Symbiosis for Circular Economy. I am learning to trade in stocks, and I am also editing a book, Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People. Social impact. ESL is providing a platform for students to think out of the box, helping us to bring significant and positive changes. Following attitude of gratitude, I have sent many cards spreading happiness in the world. I am always ready to help my friends, peers, and family. I try to always have a positive outlook on situations, which can help to make my surrounding environment positive. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Apurva Dursheti and I am pursuing first year of chemical engineering at Osmania University College of Technology. My goals, I want to become an astronaut, a civil servant and do research as well. My recent accomplishments, I have co-authored a research paper called J.N. Tata, Swami Vivekananda and IASC, Fact or Fiction. I have learned not to believe in every forwarded message. It is better to check the facts before doing it. We surfed through internet and found many interesting articles about the topic. I have also participated in Thope Ideathon representing Team Doomsday. Our topic was Let's Destroy Humanity. We wanted to alert everyone that it is important to save Mother Earth, otherwise doomsday is inevitable. As a team member of ESEL, I am part of many projects and activities. I am a member of Learning App Development Team, which got me an opportunity to be a student intern at Sanchan. I am learning web development too. I attend Thope Talks every Wednesday and Sunday, and we as a team organize them. I have attended town hall meetings regularly to discuss the future of ESEL. I have taken Yes Plus course conducted by Art of Living, where I learned to maintain inner peace. I attend the Vedanta Club as well. We, a team of 3 members, are writing a book on our mentors as a part of Thope Mentorship Program. I have recently joined the project 100 crore by the age of 30, which accelerates my energy. Apart from being in projects, I love reading books, writing, singing, and dancing. These hobbies rejuvenate my energy and focus. ESL helped me to inculcate the value system in my personality and to be a good leader. Through projects, I'm learning time management, being consistent, and keeping myself motivated. I'm thankful for having good friends and seniors. We work in teams, coordinate with each other, and grow together. I acquired good knowledge of networking through collaboration with successful people. My mentor, Dr. Sirisha Goshike. She is a positive soul and encourages me all the time. Every time I talk to Sirisha ma'am, I feel confident and happy. We have casual conversations and I've learned a lot in just 2 months. I would like to maintain this relationship beyond college life. I believe, dream, visualize, realize, and the universe conspires. It's my privilege to present on this platform. I appreciate your patience in listening to my presentation. Thank you.
Good afternoon and good evening to all the dignitaries, guests, all my seniors, juniors, and my friends. I am Shirisha, BTech third year chemical engineering student. First of all, I am very glad to have such a beautiful team who always supports and motivates me. Today, I would like to share my journey in achieving my goals with you all. My goal is to get a good job earning 14 lakhs per annum after BTech. And I also had a goal to complete MTech in IITs, and I also had a long-term goal to do PhD in maths. Presently, I am working in Kingsman Associates, where I learned many things working with the team. It gave a lot of hope that I can do anything. We enjoy with the team, it gives much power when working with them. And I am still exploring new things in work. It's awesome to get those people in my team. It increased my confidence levels to practice dedication towards work and time management. I learned sending mails, I took Facebook marketing and implementing those ideas for the team. And I also learned offers making. For the first time when I joined, I was scared of doing work and my team members helped me a lot whenever I had a doubts. And now I was the person taking lead and explaining to other team people. Myself, I saw a very drastic change and I thought, is it possible for me to do? But now I am confident that I can do anything, exploring new things every time. I also attended Top Talks on every Wednesday and Saturday, meeting many great people and getting knowledge from them and planning for our goals, working attentively, making them timetable for every hour. This everything is the first step to reach our goals. And also I attended English classes every Sunday. I learned many things and implementing those words in our daily conversation. It was really awesome learning everything whenever I needed. All, all this happened because of my mentor Sunanda ma'am, such a soft-spoken person. I feel very happy and confident when talking with ma'am. Finally, I am very happy about being productive and learning new things with all. At last, I was thankful to Shravan sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Greetings to the respected dignitaries and my dear friends. I'm Vidvija Nalavani, pursuing third year chemical engineering. Before I start, let me extend my deep gratitude to each and every person who is listening to all of us from the beginning. Thank you. My journey started when I was told to take part as a team lead in the organizing committee in August 2018. We, as a team, organized a number of alumni student interactive sessions through which many doors of opportunities have been opened. I learned and understood the most powerful terms: leadership, teamwork, spontaneity, power of interactions, friendships, and network. As the voice said, every great idea was once a little. This organizing committee now evolved and extended its wings as Top Talks. People from many corners of this world have been interacting with us, supporting us, encouraging us, and seeing the potential in us. This platform stood as a building block for our whole entire network. I had this great pleasure to take the lead to organize youth empowerment sessions among us. Along with Art of Living Foundation, we understood the importance of balancing both materialism and spiritualism to become better versions of ourselves every successive day. These are the books which I've written. Ecstasy in Yes Plus, a book in which we expressed our learnings in the youth empowerment session workshops, through non-linear thinking, we expressed through poems and drawings in a reader-friendly way. Me and my friend Pavani has written this book. I was also co-author of ESL Odyssey, the Mosaic version, our first book. Our next book will be launched very soon. It's something interesting to the people who think differently about money, financial independence by the age of 30. Every heart has an art. It's something which I believe the most. Doing things unique, different, and productive is something everyone seeks for, or everyone estimates something from everyone. To have the equilibrium between these sentences, these are the values that I am built on. Not only me, I'm sure that all my team. Love, respect, and support among ourselves always stand first. I want to pursue my PhD in the US with a scholarship. Later on, I want to become an entrepreneur and become a leader. To pursue my dreams right now, these are the things I'm working on. I'm learning Pro 2 every day and writing a review paper on neem coated urea. I'm also writing another book called Our Story. I'm also working for Kingsman as a virtual real estate assistant. The teamwork and self-discipline always makes easier to do things simultaneously. That's the reason all of us are here today. And this is who we are. Thank you for listening patiently. Special thanks to my mentor, Shravan sir, and my beloved team. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I am Tejasri Remma, the one who is hosting this session. So, presently, I am pursuing my third year textile technology. So, I am here to present my story. Industrial symbiosis for circular economy. As part of this, our goal is to make India as a zero waste country. As part of this, we started uh, reading review papers and research articles. Presently, working on textile effluent treatment plant as a title for our review paper. Wanted to work on a project called How Can We Use Textile Dyeing Wastes into Home Tiles? GrowSmart, a US-based digital marketing company. It is my first experience as an employee. We follow best marketing strategies and choose our client satisfaction. Next, UiPath. During lockdown, GrowSmart given me a chance to learn UiPath, which is an automation tool for RPA, robotic process automation. I have gained UiPath Tech Premier UiPath Level 1 course certificate. Thank you. Video marketing. I love doing video marketing. I'm very comfortable in speaking in front of a camera. So I love doing editing and making it videos. So this is my passion today. And seeing this passion, GrowSmart have given me a tools like After Effects, Photoshop, Camtasia, and Creative Studio. And next. So the books I authored, Voices of Alumni Women's Edition. We had a great time to interact with 6 beautiful women alumni whom we treat as our 6 mothers. And I'm so proud to be a author of ESL Odyssey. In the history of UCT, this was the first time students who authored a book. And next, please. So what are the differences? This could be exciting. In my first year, I have a poor communication skills, introverts, not confident, not so bigger girls, not poor writing skills, and just a kind-hearted person. But now I'm super excited, extrovert, and having a bigger and bigger goals who believes in genuine and truth. So what made me that strong? My mentor, Shravan Tedla sir, and my team who believes that sees beauty in each other, respect others, provide value to each other. What are those my habits which makes me to energy? So early morning, I believe that health is my wealth, so I adapted to yoga. I can do 180-degree split vertically and horizontally. I can ride a bike, and I'm a cloth merchant. I attend all ESL Top Talks and do every ESL activities, and I love hosting the events. So my dreams, I want to be a best version of myself and wanted to explore the power of textiles, because from the small minute fibers to the parachute fabrics. And my biggest goal is front of me is wanted to go to US for PhD on a fellowship. Please give me your ideas on it. Thank you so much. This is my code wall. If you have a look, please. Search Google until Google searches you. And we unites me, leaves me only kills.
Greeting to dignitaries. I'm Vikta, pursuing first year chemical engineering from College of Technology, Osmania University. I'm here to present my voyage with ESEL, journey of various new experiences. As we can see, this is my map defining the paths. So come on, let me take you to a ride through every path and give a sneak peek into them. Path 1, projects. First comes stock market. Here I get to learn money management and many things about human psychology. I've also completed my basic stock market course from Udemy. Second, review paper. Recently, my friend Tarun and I have written a review paper on cow dung paints. Third, I was a participant of Top Ideathon from representing Team Doomsday. I've improved my skill of working together in a team. Also my friendship with others. Path 2, mentor. My mentor Srividya ma'am helped me a lot on working upon and improving my confidence levels. Ma'am helped me in finding out works where I was losing a lot of time and energy and fix them. Now I'm able to make a timetable and work according to it. Talking to ma'am gives me a lot of positivity. I recently developed a habit of reciting affirmations as soon as I wake up in the morning and when I go to bed during the nights. Ma'am has also given me guidance on dealing with exams. Part 3, Other Activities. I was part of ESET town hall meetings where we discussed and prepared ourselves for any kinds of situations that we face in future. I am part of organizing committee too. We have organized Top Ideathon together and we are also organizing weekly Top Talks. Path 4, Network. Being newcomers to ESEL, most of our network is from our seniors, my mentor, and Top Talk speakers. And I must say they are very approachable. I'm really thankful to them. Path 5, my personal growth. I gained a lot of confidence after coming to ESEL. My communication skills and writing skills have improved a lot. Working in a team and creativity is also one of the major gains in me. In continuation, one of the paths which we have started traveling recently in is 100 crores by the age of 30. I'm grateful to everyone for giving me this opportunity and patiently listening to me till the end. Thank you.
A warm good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to all. I am Chandan Mansani, pursuing second year chemical engineering. Today, it's my pleasure to share and express my goals and learnings with you all. Foremost, an immense thanks to all my dignitaries and for sparing your valuable time with us. Now, let me take a moment to express my goals and what I am fascinated about. I want to I want to be a scientist and do invent something and in the field of fuel cell technology or e-waste management sector. I'm very interested to go US and to get my higher studies there. Ultimately, my aim is to be financial independence by the age of 30. My accomplishment is I am a part of in building a book, Financial Independence by the age of 30. This book, the journey of this book, I have learned a lot of things. Learnings that I made in being a part of ESEL by participating in many activities. I have improved a lot in expressing my views to others, cultivated many leadership qualities. I have access to speak English more effectively than before and have built strong relationships with many of them. And also, these are the very few things which I have mentioned here, but I have learned unconsciously a lot of things in being a part of ESEL. My mentor, VB Prakash sir, I'm very thankful to him as he inspires me all the time and he helped me to great extent by providing weekly design system for scheduling my day properly and made me to save many hours daily. He suggests me how many tips to be efficient to do peak work, projects and the activities that I have involved and how they are assisting me to build my career. Career options in chemical engineering. The main objective of this project to show different career option perspectives and suggesting few career tips for young budding chemical engineering. Next, ISCE project. Here I am learning how to make review paper or white paper on treatment of textile effluents. Involved in preparing YouTube videos on our concerned subjects, and this assisting me in boosting my confidence. I read a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book makes me a better version for myself daily. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Welcome to NERAT 2021. Greetings to everyone. I am Supraja Pasladi, pursuing chemical engineering first year at University College of Technology, Osmania University. Firstly, about me. I am Paslavi Supraja, daughter of Yadaya Paslavi and Anita. My goals. My goal is to get a good job after BTech and pursue higher studies at a good institute. My ultimate goal is to get self-dependent by the age of 25. My ESL projects. I am working on the project Digital Marketing and one of the authors of the book Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People. I am a member of organizing committee and gratitude team. My participation in ESL. Participated in TOP Ideathon on behalf of Crazy 5. We believe in doing mad things beautifully. From this, I realized about what all I can do and my interaction with people increased. Attending every TOP talk, I came to know about the hard work we should do to get success. Digital marketing for Crest Company. As a part of digital marketing, I read the famous book How to Win Friends and Influence People and learned many useful principles. From the digital marketing course, I learned few skills like social media marketing, search engine optimization, search and display marketing, Google Analytics, video marketing, email marketing, and some other. One of the authors of the book Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People. This experience of writing book is the amazing moment of my life. I came to know about the people around me and began to respect their hard work. An active participant of gratitude team. We create gratitude cards for all the speakers of Top Talk for the great words and spending their valuable time with us. Hosted a session, Success of Top Ideathon. From this session, I got a good experience of hosting and I am confident to host other sessions then after. It was a wonderful experience being a host for the first time and that was with our friends and seniors. About my mentor. Dr. Suhas Kumar sir, Business Improvement Consultant. Every meet teaches me something and sir gave me many suggestions for better future. I am thankful to Shravan sir for making me mentee of Suhas sir, a person with great accomplishments. Thank you everyone.
Hello respected luminaries. My name is Nivedita. I am from Chemical Engineering first year from University of Technology OU. My deep-rooted goal is to pursue PhD in high reputed institutions. On the other hand, I want to fulfill my ambitions by becoming an author, dancer and singer. I'm currently working on digital marketing Crest Company. This is one of the best projects that I had. I completed few online marketing foundations like digital marketing strategy, exploring digital marketing, starting with your website, foundation of analytics and search engine optimization. I'm an active participant of organizing committee. I have organized Suryana's success party for his fellowship. I am one of the authors for the book Uncommon Accomplishment of Common People. This book is about the common people achievements. They are special to the world. They too have inspiring stories which we aren't aware of. So we are here to show to the world that common people matters the most. We are here to say that we respect you, we care you. I am improving my speaking skills through interacting with everyone. I attend Top Talks. I am the host for Chetan Makam sir's session. And I improve my vocabulary skills by reading the books How to Win Friends and Influence People and Chicken Soup for the Soul. Top Ideathon is one of the best experience for me and my team. I'm a part of Crazy 5 team. Our Crazy 5 motive was the key to success is to concentrate on goals and not on the obstacles. This way, we developed our idea and worked on it. This Ideathon is the wonderful platform for all of us where we have the rights to do crazy things gracefully. I make gratitude cards after every Top Talk. I respect everyone. I care for everyone. I will be honest in what I do. My mentor, Shrikant Joshi sir, is one of the Bromanian personality who is very supportive. I'm grateful for being under his mentorship. I am being helped to identify and achieve my goals. Sir, you inspire me to work hard and dream big. You are great in every way. The quote which I felt apt for my mentor is, a mentor is someone who allows you to see hope inside yourself and will plant seeds of knowledge to you. I'm 100% sure that I will become best version of myself under his mentorship. Any suggestions on how to get PhD in reputed universities? Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, respected mentors and my dear friends. I am Surya Karla, currently pursuing my BTech final year in chemical engineering. Thank you, everyone, for giving me the opportunity to present my ESL journey. These are some of the accomplishments which were possible because of my ESL team. Firstly, I believe that being a part of this incredible team and disruptive journey with such wonderful friends and mentors has been my biggest accomplishment. This journey has helped me develop a learning mindset. I have had the wonderful experience of authoring two books, Voices of Alumni Pioneers Edition and the disruptive book titled How to Learn Chemical Engineering in 100 Problems and Be Industry Ready. I, along with my team Hydrogen Production, have explored the field of renewable energy, did internships, participated in several inter-college competitions. I have received PhD fellowship offers from 3 universities in the USA. Social impact. The importance and power of gratitude has been one of my biggest learnings. The happiness that I have gained through making and receiving gratitude cards has been immense. Every individual needs a support system. Here at ESL, we have this great support system. I am very grateful to my guru, Shravan Tetla Garu, and all my mentors for helping me become a better version of myself. Do not condemn, criticize, and complain. This is one of the principles we strongly believe and follow in our ESL. I have learned that asking the question, how can I provide value to others, is the best way to build a network and create value-based friendships by connecting to the hearts of people. My goals. I would like to author a research paper by July. I want to pursue my PhD by focusing on the pressing problems being faced in today's world. I would like to develop the mindset that is required to create 100 crores by the age of 30. And I will assist my teammates in every possible way for accomplishing their goals. In order to reach my goals, these are the actions I'm taking. I'm currently working on my final year project at IICT. I'm making YouTube videos on chemical engineering concepts. By attending various TOP talks, I have been interacting with many incredible people and learning a lot from them. The brainstorming sessions, the discussions, the interactions are helping me develop more clarity on what I want to do in the future. One of the questions which interests me and regarding which I would like to seek the guidance from the amazing mentors present here are, how can we develop the skill of asking the right questions and identifying good problem statements to work on? Thank you.
A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. I am Nakshatra from 10th grade, Karimnagar. My mentor is A.N. Garu. When Shravan sir told me that I'm going to have a mentor to guide me and support me, I feared a lot because the name mentor I heard for first time. Also, I don't know what my mentor is going to say and what I'm going to do. But after meeting my mentor A.N. Garu, I feel that all my thoughts were wrong because he is so friendly person that he himself made me to speak freely without any fear in our first section itself. Thank you for that, A.N. Garu. A.N. Garu promised me that he will. In our first section, we introduced ourselves and made some promises. Those are being on time, starting with invocation, discussing about agenda, discussing about last week actions, and if needed, planning for next week actions. Engaru promised me that he will going to help me to speak fluent English and write without grammatical mistakes within 6 months. Also, Engaru promised me that he will support me to make me succeed in my life. Next, I learned about good habits. Engaru suggested me 4 good habits. Those are gratitude prayer every day and night, writing journal every day by including what I learned today, and using GTD. I also learned about Ikigai. To be succeed and be happy in our life, we need to know that what we love, what the world needs, what we paid for it, and what we are good at. With the help of Ikigai, I plan for my next level of studying. Now I am clear about what to take in Polytechnic. I also learned about how to read fast, how to understand, remember, and concentrated by using Pomodoro technique and other studying tips. I also learned about the importance of mind mapping. With the help of mind mapping, we can prioritize things, we can save time, and many more. With the help of mind mapping, I prepared my presentation very easily and fastly. Last 2 weeks, I suffered a lot to do my works because there are lots of works to do. So me and my mentor A.N. Garu start doing mind mapping to my works. Now I am feeling very better to do my works. From the mentoring sections, I learned the importance of gratitude prayer, writing journal, using GTD, Ikigai, technique, fast reading and remembering, and helping my friends. Also, I have hope that I will learn many more and I will help my friends because they do not have mentor. Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I'm Maitri, pursuing BTech second year, Chemical Engineering in University College of Technology, OU. I was introduced to ESL by our seniors. I always find stimulating environment in our ESL. Here we are learning a lot by interacting with our seniors and alumni. It provided a platform where we can share our thoughts and discuss about our ideas. My projects in ESL are Plasma Activated Research Project. Me and my team have explored under the guidance of Dr. Jyoti ma'am on how plasma activated water is created and its benefits in agriculture sector. We have read few research articles and written a mini review article as a part of the project. We have done this project in our first year, and at that time, we literally don't know what is research project or research article, but still we have eagerness to learn, and that attitude made us to take up the project. Interview procedures. I have co-authored a book, Be a Top at Interview, which gives an insightful analysis on how recruiters choose a candidate for a job and tips on how to prepare for interviews. Industrial visits. I have made some industrial visits along with my friends where I have gained practical knowledge and have seen how theoretical concepts are put into action. I'm currently working for a real estate startup, Kingsman Associates. Here we majorly deal with some real estate softwares, and here I'm learning how an organization works, teamwork, employability skills, and management skills. This project is also helping me in a bigger way to learn and entrepreneurship skills. English learning sessions. Shailaja ma'am, UCT OU alumni, has came forward to take empowerment classes and to assist us in learning communication skills. I'm taking the lead to conduct the sessions. Career options in chemical engineering. As a part of this project, me and my team is surveying our passed out seniors and exploring career options after our graduation. Valuable things that I learned from ESL. Time management. How to use time productively. I turned from a disciplined to self-disciplined person. Empathy. By working in ESL activities, now I'm able to think in others' point of view and understand others' feelings. And positive mindset. My long-term goals is to become an entrepreneur and an actress. These are the two dreams that I have in my heart and mind since my childhood. About my mentor. My mentor is Sean Rahman sir. He is a principal at Odyssey Early College in US. He is very humble and kind person. I'm feeling very fortunate to be his mentee. Thank you.
Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon to all who are gathered here from the different parts of the globe. I'm Ankati Dhanush, pursuing second year chemical engineering in Usmania University College of Technology. Today, I'm here to share my journey with the ESL with all of you. I want to share my activities in different clubs of ESL with you. ESL gave me an opportunity to do the things heartfully and efficiently for a great success. In ESL, I was a part of organizing committee, Sahas Greenhouse, and also co-author of the book Top Interviews in book writing with Maitri under the guidance of Triveni Akka, third year chemical engineering, OUCT. And we are also written review articles related to plasma activated water with the help of Shravan sir and under the guidance of Jyoti ma'am. I have learned many and great things from mentor-mentee program. My mentor is Vasudevan sir. He's a great book for me as a friend, as a father, and everything. I also learned how to provide value from others, importance of time management, and how communication skills can improve everyone's in their own life, and how important in this world I learned from my mentor. As I got opportunity to learn many things from the ESL, some of my internship are I'm a part of an internship and helping in many hands, helping in the website development. I'm an intern at the GrowSmart. I'm an helping hand in the development of the ESL OECT website. I helped in the building website for the AMC Solutions as an intern. I'm also the part of the plasma activated water project. I'm good at developing and designing the web pages on WordPress site. I have strengthened myself from these many opportunities it is given by the ESL. Some of my strengths are teamwork, consistency, self-confidence, and positivity, and many more. My great learnings from ESL are: I understood the power of interaction. I understood the value of the teamwork. I'm also being responsible for every action and work when I in the ESL. Coming to my goals, I have few long-term goals and short-term goals. My goals are to do PhD in the Department of Biotechnology in USA with as a fellowship. I also have a goal to improve the agricultural techniques in India through my knowledge in the chemical engineering. My other interests are: I love to interact with people every time. I also love to spend time in agricultural activities. I'm curious to learn many new things. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. I especially thank Shawn sir and my mentor Vasudevan sir and my friends, my seniors, my juniors, and every person in the ESL family who helped me a lot to learn many things. Thank you, everyone.
So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is Karun Kumar from pursuing chemical engineering second year from University College of Technology, Osmania University. It almost has been 2 years being part of ESL, and these are some of the accomplishments. I have actually been part of a book that is financial independence by the age of 30. In Money Club, we actually were asked to express our thoughts regarding money, and we actually wrote some of the ideas and suggestions that we think are right and that would help people in the society to have a better life financially. And I was also part of Yes Plus, that is youth empowerment session. That is something which helps us to be more strong mentally. And generally people think that young people need not participate in all this kind of sessions, and only after retirement we need to do this yoga and all. But I personally feel that it is very important to be mentally strong, and Yes Plus is something that helped me to be mentally strong. And also being part of ESL, I actually built a very good network. And I also hosted several sessions like Top Talk with Misty in Colorado. And also I have hosted online orientation program for our juniors. Next slide. And I'm currently working and participating in a video lecture project that is to make the material of the academics to our juniors handy. And also I mostly host and also participate in English sessions every Sunday, where we actually take some words from one book and learn the meaning of that words to increase our vocabulary. And this is the activity that we do to increase our vocabulary, which is simultaneously going to help us to fetch a good job in our future too. And these are some of my future goals. I also have these are some of my short-term goals is what I can say as of now. That is to write one more book. That is the second edition of Voice of Alumni. This is the decision which I took after seeing the book Voices of Alumni Women Edition. I got inspired by seeing that book, and I also want to work as an intern in IECT or ONGC or BARC, any reputed organization, to have nice industrial experience in this second year summer. And coming to my mentor is Geeta ma'am, who always helps me because I'm a very sensitive person. For everything I react rather than responding, and she is somebody who guides me to go in a right way. So thank you for giving this opportunity to express my thoughts and experience with ESL. Thank you.
I would like to tell a few 3 to 4 words about sentences about ESL. We know ESL as entrepreneurship cell and idea and innovation cell and student based cell. As these points are absolutely true, and hence our ESL, Top ESL is adding extra flavors to that. Whenever we have a discussion, we get extra energy to move on, which automatically generates energy to others, and that's how it deserves energy cell. And it's one of the name given by one of our alumni. And it's moreover, it is not only the student body, it is our collective efforts of students, mentors, and this is where we are making a difference. Let's make it more and reap new ideas. It's all started with a one-man idea that slowly unlocked too many people, and now it is an ocean of many beautiful people. So we are what we are. Ideas are taken into actions. This gives much more happiness and satisfaction in life. Giving back and make others to give back is so phenomenal. I call it a real success and hope the same from you people. And this success will continue same with extra pace in coming years, and that's how we create miracles. Career planning in chemical engineering. This is what we need in present days. Chemical engineering, it's a rare branch and a demanding branch, but still there is a lack of awareness in the society about chemical engineering. So I want to spread that awareness in chemical engineering and about career planning. And I'm involving in writing white papers or review papers, and I also involved in writing our voices of mentors, listening to the voices of our fantastic mentors, their life journeys, strategies, and all. And we are also doing a project called 100 crores by the age of 30. This is really awesome idea. 100 crore. First, let it to our imagination. It is as big as we imagine. Striving for that is not an easy task, and making it happen is one more phase. So believing in each other, ideas, and moving forward. And we strongly believe network is equal to net worth. Yes. And yes, next slide. And my goal is to broaden exposure and excel in chemical engineering through pursuing my PhD. And not only it is confined to PhD in depth of chemical engineering, wherever it takes to PhD plus or PhD plus, but depth in chemical engineering, and set up a company in India for making advancements in science and technology, and spread the spirituality throughout the world. And that's how we make a difference once again. And for the vision, we should have a mission for a guaranteed success, and commitment, smart work, hard work, and dedication and determination comes in the list. And about my mentor and mentee relationship, my mentor Meena ma'am is a very patriotic. She thinks to give back to society. So that is how she is giving to society, giving back to society through us. It is happening. Heartful thanks to you, ma'am, and all the mentors here present here. Next slide, please. Yeah, and my learnings, power of interactions. We know the how much power of interactions. One can decide a great idea, and one can destroy the same idea in the interaction. So the power of interaction is very high, and living in the world of values. The value system is really want to us. Value system, through value system we can create miracles, as I said earlier. And heart full of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the main factor in life to achieve great things, and nothing is impossible if a man strives for excellence. This is what I realized in these days. And more importantly, learn to learn and experience to experience is the main key to success anything. Next slide, please. Yeah, experiencing this beautiful moment since 2 years, and the journey continues. And this is me, Rohit Pulluri from Chemical Engineering, ECL OECT. Thank you.
Very well presented, Rohit. So wonderful presentations team. I am being blown away. I am so proud of you. Hey everyone, I am Vinay Kumar Vajrala, studying BTech in Chemical Engineering, currently in my 4th year at Osmania University. I am feeling very happy and honored to get an opportunity to present myself and my journey before all of you. The below is my profile link on our ESL website. Before going further, ready for a story? Just take a second and imagine a situation where a 17-year-old boy was introduced to a man from the future, accompanied by a group of friends with bigger vision, and are set on an expedition to disrupt the world with their differences-making attitude and to make the impossible things possible. Imagine how much this young boy can learn during such a journey into the unknown, where everything felt like we are in zone, which is exactly what my last 3.5 years have been. A journey of learning, a journey of reinventing myself, and a journey full of miracles. Accomplishments, activities, and proud moments have become our new normal. In this journey, I have authored these books along with my team. The journey of Voices of Alumni Women's Edition, How to Learn Chemical Engineering in 100 Problems were incredible and have made me realize the power of interactions and authoring a book. I do always feel that every Top Talk is meant for me and my growth. They come to me as if they are intended. They played a crucial role in building my learning mindset. I have done an internship at BART in my first year. learn hardware and networking in my second year, and a market survey internship at Crest Technologies under the leadership of VB Prakash sir and Ramakant sir in third year, which have fueled my passion for learning new things. I have been part of ESL website development team, S Plus team, and town hall meetings and all the listed activities. These made me grow from the inside as a strong leader, inspiring mentor, and a good communicator. I feel very lively when I am talking to someone, inspiring them, assisting them, and providing value to them. With this journey, I have realized the power of network, the importance of providing value to others, and potential in collaborating and creating the happiness. I am very proud of my ESL team and the enthusiasm they show in expressing their bigger and wildest dreams. We as a team want to be in the top 1% of wealth creation and happy people. Presently, I am working on a proposal to Crest Technologies for my sales and marketing role, which we have created. Also, my fourth year project is on AI applications in chemical engineering, along with I am also writing a power-packed book on whole ESL journey named Our Story. Also, I am a project manager with Rajni sir. I am working on building a strong mindset to achieve financial independence by the age of 30 with 100 crores team. With the things I have learned, with the guidance from my mentor, Shravan Tedla, I am envisioning a future me, being a powerful leader, influential speaker, build a community of values and love, and inspire the people to make miraculous differences in this world. I believe if you are clear with what you want, everything will fall in place to make it happen. Let us envision together this new era of miracles driven by values. Thank you so much.
Honorable dignitaries and respected seniors and my dear friends, a warm welcome to everyone. It's my privilege to share screen with you. I am Tarun Gangadhari, presently studying first year of mining engineering at Kakatiya University. I am very happy to be part of ESL. ESL brought the concept of ours from concept of mine from our activities and learning. ESL made me very strong to do anything with my mind and heart. What I am doing? Presently, I am intern as social media marketer for AMC Solutions and Sanchan Info, and also I am good at making logos, posters, and reports, etc. Here are my achievements. Secured state third rank in Telugu Olympiad and vice captain for Greenhouse in Triveni Schools, awarded bronze medal in Science Olympiad, and completed digital market course in LinkedIn offered by Microsoft. My strength: good at teamwork, self-discipline, open-minded, critical thinking, energetic, and good at communication. My skills: good at making reports, photo editing, slides of presentation, and many more edits. I am a quick learner and good at writing Telugu poetry too. Our research. Recently, Vivikta and I started a research project on Vedic paint, which is made of cow dung, and we are going to give presentation next talk of ESL. My biggest goal. My goal is to do a PhD in the Colorado School of Mines with a fellowship. Thank you, sir, Seven sir, and thank you, my dear mentors. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind.
Hello and good morning, everyone, and good evening, everyone. I am Dusheti Sindhuja, currently pursuing my BTech second year in food technology in Osmania University. The next slide. I strongly believe in myself and put 100% effort to get the good results and things done. I love to interact with people and curious to learn the new things around me. I also interested in writing and many things above. And my projects are my journey in ESL is more than a year and I learned many things from my seniors, friends and mentor. My projects are Python programming. This project aims to apply the Python software to core knowledge which increase the efficiency and better development in those areas. Food entrepreneurship project promoting food processing units in rural Telangana, helping existed small-scale food industries, and also works for the food product development. And presently I am doing an internship at Kingsman Associates. It's all about a real estate world, gaining knowledge on marketing strategies. And I'm also a co-author of the book Voices of Alumni, Women Edition. It is the book which describes the success journey of women alumni in the harder times of gender discriminations. Next slide. As I said, I am a second year student, so I had few long-term and short-term goals. Coming to my long-term goals, research in the intermediate field of food and nutraceuticals project on supplements in food, to be a part of any social organization which provides free education to the children. And coming to my short term, and I also want to be financially independent. Coming to my short term goals, internships in the food department, to be an author for non technical books and gain good knowledge on Python code and food department too. The next slide. The values what I learned from ESL. Being part of ESL, I learned many things. You are always being positively towards things, situations, and grown up in the attitude of learning as we go, respecting and helping each other, showing gratitude and few more. Though mentor and mentee program is given me the best version of myself. As part of this program, I am blessed to get a sister and a mentor like Varshini Akka. It was just a 2 months in the period of this time I learned many things from her. Coming to the time management, being an employee mentor, responsible citizen, and also active role in the art of living sessions, she given me the few tips of concentration because it is the one of the major thing to handle the things easily. The next one is health, hygiene, and self-love. As it is the primary thing to take care of, because of the busiest schedules, many of them does not focus on it. During my course, I learned tips on maintaining good health, and she also described me well about the de-stressing activities and yoga, exercises, diet, and management. Consistency and commitment. I'm still learning on it. Positive attitude, high positivity made me purified and spiritual towards each thing, and I'm habituating all the above to lead a good life. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all the dignitaries who has attended this session, and good evening to all my seniors and my dear friends. Myself Nishita from first year food technology from University College of Technology, Osmania University. I am privileged to be a part of this new era presentation. Here are my goals. I want to complete my PhD in USA with fellowship, and even I want to get job in government sector, and I want to make a better society in which my education and knowledge should helpful to this society in some or the other way. Get to be wholesome, and I will balance both academics and personal skills. And I think without developing skills, we can't reach our goals. And developing skills is also a goal for me. Here are my accomplishments. I have been leading the organizing committee of ESL, been hosting the TOP Talks, and also have participated in the TOP Ideathon of 2021 as part of Team Ganado Race, and also have participated in the town hall meetings. Um, about my projects, I have involved in our organizing committee of ESL and stock marketing project and gratitude team. I just want to tell something brief about my ESL. So after entering into the ESL, my confidence levels has been increased. For example, in my intermediate, I used to not even speak to my lecturers for clarifying my doubts. But after entering into this ESL, by the encouragement of Shravan sir and all the members in ESL, I got motivated and I feel confident now and I can speak in front of all. And I am developing leadership skills by leading the team organizing committee of ESL and improving my communication skills. And every Wednesday and Sunday, we will have TOP Talks. And through these TOP Talks, we are learning new skills and new things. And these TOP Talks are very helpful to reach our goals. And in ESL, we will not criticize each other, we respect each other, and we see beauty in each other, and we give value to each other opinions. And in ESL, I got good friends and seniors where we all work together and we help each other. And about my leadership role, uh, being a leader, I learned how to be patient, be responsible, and how to lead the team and how to satisfy all the team members. And sure, I'll learn many more things in future also. And about my mentor, Anup Mathu sir. Thank you, Anup Mathu sir, for being so responsible, caring, positive minded, and helping and encouraging me all the time. Once I asked Anup sir that, what do you think about ESL, sir? Then sir said, when photons in sunlight excite electrons in silicon, we call that solar cell. Similarly, a TOP E cell creates that spark of curiosity in the young minds to go beyond their expectation. And I also thank Shravan sir who gave me a lot of opportunities and for giving me constant support and encouraging me all the time and also giving me such a wonderful mentor. And thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the dignitaries who came here just to listen to us. I am Shivani Shirsagar, presently pursuing third year chemical engineering from Osmania University. This is my website which was designed by my friends. I started with Chai with Successful People team in which we interviewed alumni, had team meetings, and wrote updates. I became an author of Voices of Alumni, Entrepreneurship Edition, and ESL Odyssey. Things I learned during VOA journey. Little things makes a big difference. Daily updates improved my writing skills, which made me an author today. I met a lovely friend as my co-author, Triveni Gangadhari. As it was a new process, we followed learn as we go process as we haven't wrote any book yet. As an achievement, we were interviewed by an international speaker, Michelle Mas ma'am. We got to know that we just need to ask. People are always there to help. Projects I worked and working. I did internship in Kakati Kaushak about liquid ring vacuum pumps in my first year. I am presently working on review papers under industrial symbiosis for circular economy. Life lessons I learned in ESEL. Respecting others, seeing beauty in others, creating friendships, power of a team, and time is our friend. My mentor, my strength, Shravan Garu. Things I learned from him. Investing time in others, believe in someone and miracles happens. And never ending learning attitude. Things which makes me feel happy. Singing, writing, making gratitude cards, talking with my team and mentor. I believe if we do not dare to dream big, are we really living? I never compare myself with others. My dreams are I get in to get into IITs through GATE, to represent my country in something where I can be called as Shivani Shirsagar from India, to be a civils officer. This is my favorite poem. Thank you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. I am Sandhya Silveru from first year Chemical Engineering. My goals. My first goal comes to be I want to get a job in public sector, and also I want to crack GATE exams so that I don't find difficulties in finding a job. And I also presently I want to focus on this, and that is CGPA score. So to go forward, I surely want to maintain a good and decent CGPA score. And I also like being a strong and independent woman, and to be honest, so that I don't feel afraid to speak up for myself. My accomplishments. Coming to my accomplishments, the one thing which remains with me for lifelong, that is doing a hosting for first time, and whatever may be a result, I am very much satisfied with my performance. And also, I can just say that each and every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Next slide. My projects and actions. I was being a part of project ISCE project, which is about circular economy, and our mentor is Ulhas Perlikas sir. And part of this project, we are writing a review paper on critical minerals, and it is in progress. And also, I'm a part of organizing committee in ESL, where we together organize the events in ESL. And also, I'm a part of Top Gratitude team. They are assisting my goals in improving many things. As we are writing a review paper, they definitely increase my writing skills. And also, I feel huge change in my communication skills in the starting and now. And as a team, we have to work together. So, and that is teamwork. And I am knowing the way how to approach and interacting with others. And also, I feel responsible because I'm doing something and I have to complete it. Here we give the first and most priority to these things which are most important. Those are values. As I'm a part of Top Gratitude team, I'm making gratitudes for others, which for their work and accomplishments. So which made me so happy, and I feel so happy that I'm giving something happy one to others. And we also share our work with all of them, which creates a friendly environment and uh, increases bonding between us. And finally, we respect each other and their thoughts, ideas, opinions, and we see each beauty in each other. The one goal which I need suggestion is how to get a public sector job immediately after my BTech. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, respected mentors, seniors, and my dear friends. I'm Shravanti from University College of Engineering, Usmania University, Tripoli Department. So, let me tell about my goals. So, one of my main academic goals is to crack GATE exam, and I am willing to start the preparation from my first year itself, as a lot of hard work is required. I believe grades are not the only criteria to excel in our life, but it is equally important to maintain a good grade points. So I want to maintain a decent CGPA in all the semesters. There are many ways to showcase our skills and hidden talents. So I want to participate in all the activities and events of our club to make sure that I get hands-on experience rather than neglecting it. If I have to say one goal that I need, I'm very curious and keen about is how to about my higher studies in abroad. And at last, I want to get a job related to the knowledge that I have gained and an innovative one. Now, ethics and moral values that I have learned. So, I got to know about ESL recently, and within this short span, I started attending Talk Talks where we can interact with inspirational personalities and learn things in a better way. There are also projects done by the members of a team where we can build our teamwork. As fear and confidence cannot go hand in hand, being part of this ESL, I want to overcome all my fears and build confidence. Being part of this team will definitely help me succeed in my life and achieve my goals. So, in all these ways, they are making a right path for our future endeavors, contributing their support and making our work even more simple. I'm looking forward to be an active participant in the ESL and to have a mentor who can guide me in each and every aspect. Now, one goal about which I need a suggestion is what is the best way to go abroad with a fellowship? Thank you, one and all, for giving me this opportunity.
Hello everyone, I'm Chandradu Bugde, studying first year CSC in MVSR Engineering College, and I'm a member of ESL. Next slide. My long-term goals are to get placement in one of the best companies in India as a software engineer. I'm interested in full stack, so I want to be a full stack developer, and I would like to pursue my higher studies at IITs or any other universities abroad. Coming to the short-term goals, to become a good speaker and improve my communication skills. I need to improve a lot in it, and I want to become a good writer, especially in English. I'm watching a motivational video every day to build a perfect mindset, and I need to maintain a good CGPA in my academics. Next slide. My ESL activities and accomplishments. I have participated in TOP Ideathon in Team Crazy5, which was a wonderful experience to me in my life. I have really enjoyed a lot while having fun and learning new things during the TOP Ideathon. Now I'm working on stock markets as I'm going through one of the courses in Udemy. And I'm one of the authors of the book Uncommon Accomplishments of Common People. This is the first book I contributed as an author. I'm really excited while doing work on it. It's such a great experience in my life because I am an author now. My teammates, editors, Shravan sir were really helped me a lot while doing that work. And thank you very, very much, sir, for that. And Meena Ravindran ma'am is the chief guest for the very first time I have ever hosted in TOP Ideathon. And I'm attending every TOP talk. My values and ethics, I respect everyone and I'm honest and disciplined in my work. Next. These are the methods to achieve my goals. I'm improving my communication skills by interacting with people and attending English learning classes by seniors. I need to improve a lot because I'm improving my reading and vocabulary skills by reading the book named Chicken Soup for the Soul. To avoid stage fear, I took the initiative to be the representative of my team at TOP Ideathon. On behalf of our team Crazy5, I was a host for my team in TOP Ideathon event 2021. Finally, my technical skills are I'm going through one of the courses on C language in Coursera to improve my technical skills in C. I have attended TechWiz, Guess It Like events to improve my technical skills. with those experiences, I am writing a book on C language to improve my writing and technical skills as well. Attended a mock interview in Fusion by MVSR Engineering College to improve my personality development while HR interview times. Any suggestions on how to build my career in effective way? Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. I am Sai Brahmarambika of Textile Technology second year. Firstly, ESL has given me many opportunities in building my skills, and I am also very thankful for Shravan sir for giving mentor and encouraging me in everything I do. I can surely say I am best version of myself because of ESL now. When it comes to my goals, I want to get a good job in the textile sector after my graduation, and after getting a good experience in the job, I would like to study again abroad, and I would like to retire early in the life. And I would also like to do as many as projects in the textile technology. When it comes to goals and it has to be made success, then you need action and action plans for it. Things I wanted to focus for the action plans are smart work, time management, planning, consistency, eliminating all the excuses, and monitoring the progress. Accomplishments. I am author of 2 books, Voices of Alumni Pioneers Edition and Financial Independence by Age of 30. And I am also doing an internship in a digital marketing company called Grossman. And I am also learning web development from scratch. Voices of Alumni Pioneers Edition has given me a great experience with many of our alumni. We have met many of our alumni who are considered to be pioneers, and we have learned a lot from their experiences. We were also interviewed by Michelle Marsh ma'am on the success of our book. Grossmart. Grossmart is a digital marketing company. I was offered to learn UiPath in the company. UiPath is actually automation software. I have got 2 certificates from UiPath course. Along with UiPath, I have also learned digital marketing courses, and I also got a certificate in Google Garage for digital marketing. Mentorship program. My mentor is Vijay sir. He have helped me a lot in building my skills. We weekly have a call and discuss about the future plans, personal development. He also increases my confidence in all the calls I talk to him. I really thank him heartfully for making the best version of myself. Next one. Thank you all who have listened to my presentation very patiently. Thank you.